Well, earlier on Facebook and earlier this half hour, I asked you to answer this question. Are you ready for the fall season to begin? Seeing that fall does start, at least astronomically, on Friday. And you did respond in numbers, and the majority of you are ready. Well, I have some unfortunate news for right now. It looks like the summertime weather is going to stick around a little bit longer as we head towards that fall season on Friday, as it's been quite humid and muggy out there. This is a dew point we typically see in the middle of summertime, and this is where we were yesterday. And I usually don't use the muggy meter in the middle part of September, but we're going to go ahead and see what the humidity is going to be like today. And you didn't see that needle move at all, did you? Yeah, the humidity is going to stick around as we have some tropical moisture coming in here, and that's going to feed our forecast for today. Plenty of sun, but also plenty of clouds around. And we're also going to have some scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. And I think we see a little bit more in the way of that in the afternoon, but there are some areas seeing some showers this morning. But a warm and humid day with a high temperature very similar to the last few days in the low to mid 80s. Then tonight we're looking at partly cloudy conditions with patchy fog developing, some dense fog out there in some spots this morning, so use some extra time just like the last couple of days, and another muggy evening as we're down in the middle 60s. And let's do it once again tomorrow, shall we? Sun and clouds, warm and humid, 80 to 84 for a high, but the northeast wind going to keep clouds in here. This is a loop of the Super Doppler radar network, and there's a lot of blue down there. That's from a lot of low-lying moisture in the air, but you see an area of showers developing. Some unstable air working its way in here, and this is going to progress to the west. It's unusual for our showers to move in from the east towards the west, but that's going to be happening throughout the next couple of hours. And you see the rest of the Susquehanna Valley is currently dry with those areas of dense fog, so be careful. Again, we were talking about Hurricane Jose, still located to the west-southwest of Bermuda. It's tracking off to the north, and that trend is going to continue over the next several days. So I'm going to start with a wide view here of the News 8 predictor, where you can see Hurricane Jose down there. And what's affecting our weather right now is an area of high pressure. Now, high pressure usually brings what I call happy weather, some clear skies, but the wind blowing around the high pressure is coming off of the ocean, and that's coupled with Jose, where the winds will eventually be coming off the ocean as well. When that happens, we typically get some clouds in the region, a little bit of unstable air, areas of hit and miss showers. So notice that's where we are right now, and it's going to look the same way as we go through time. Okay, here we are going up to about 6 o'clock this evening. There's Jose. We're in that area of mixed clouds and sun. Notice Jose tracking to the north. There we are in the area of clouds. We'll go into the day then on Monday evening. You see Jose is getting closer, but we are still in this kind of repetitive weather pattern where clouds are coming in off the ocean, but Jose is going to stay out to sea. It's going to make a turn before it gets to New England. We might see a couple showers from the outermost bands heading into the Philadelphia region, maybe some parts of our eastern counties, but for the most part, Jose is going to be out to sea, and the major effects are going to be along the coast with swells and rip tides and some rough seas. But the humidity forecast, all that tropical air that hurricane is going to be pumping in here, it's not going anywhere. So it's going to be muggy today, and as we head into that first day of fall, which is Friday, it's still going to feel quite sticky. That's our weather summary for today. Real simple. It stays warm, it stays humid, and we have the chance of the stray showers today. Take a look at our News 8 7-day forecast. The high temperature doesn't go below 80 any of the days this week. You see the word humid pretty repetitively right up to that first day of fall. We'll get a little bit of relief from the humidity, I believe, going in the next weekend, but the temperature's just going to get warmer as we'll have our highs in the mid 80s. So repetitive, kind of end of summer-like pattern as we head into fall.
I'm okay with it. Fall will get here eventually, right?
It will,
okay.
Yes.
All right, thanks very much, Matt.